guys, this is dclaiche, and today we're doing an unboxing from speedcubeshop.com. This is actually the first cube that I ever bought and had delivered to me right here at the university. So now I have confidence in the university's postal service, which is great. I can get cubes when I'm at home or when I'm here. So with that unnecessary stupidness out of the way, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so here it is. Now, this is going to be sort of the first main speedcube change. Well, actually, I think this is probably the quickest main speedcube change that I've ever had. My current main speedcube is this Thunderclap version 2, and I have a feeling that it's about to be replaced by what's in here. So, with that said, let's go ahead and open up the package and see if this cube is worthy of being my main speedcube. There we go. Invoice. Those are necessary, I think. Oh, what is this? Aha, yes. Customization checklist. And what we have is... Come on. Yeah. The MF3RS2M Supernova. Yeah, this is Speedcube Shop's custom MF3RS2M. I would have gotten the Cubicle.us's version, but currently they don't have any black ones. And also, this one is cheaper. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the box. Or open the box anyway. So there it is. Here's instructions. I assume this is instructions. Yeah, it's instructions. Not very good instructions, but instructions nonetheless. So here's the cube. Let's open it up. Keep this handy just in case I can't figure this out. Let's see. There's that. Alrighty. There's that. Toss that in the garbage. And here's the cube. So, this is the first magnetic cube that I have ever owned in my life. And, let's see. So, let's look at this checklist. Confirm that the cube you are working on is the correct puzzle. Confirm that the plastic color is correct. Check to see if the puzzle has been magnetized. Confirm that the correct sticker shades are made, if applicable. Confirm that the color scheme is correct, and overall quality check prior to packaging. It looks like this is like somebody else's job. I don't really know. But yeah, so I'm kind of excited. Let's do a comparison with the Thunderclap V2. They have pretty much the same shades. The blue seems a tad brighter, but that just might be because I've owned this cube for longer, and it's probably got scratched up and stuff. But yeah, enough chit chat. Let's get on to first turns. Ooh, that is quiet. So, it feels pretty good. I don't really have any other magnetic cubes to compare this to. Like I said, this is my first one. But it feels pretty good. There's one little lock up there, but that's alright. Corner cuts. Perfect. Over 45. Reverse corner cuts. Well, there's that. Yeah, that's buttery smooth. Oh, there we go. Little lock up there. Okay. But yeah, that is buttery smooth right there. Oh, yeah. So, no offense, Cameron. I really like your logos, but I don't like logos on cubes, so I'm just going to take this logo off. So, just do this. Come on. There's that. And then just take take off the logo. Oh, dang it! There goes the center cap. And stick it on the back of my computer for good luck. Well, let's put it right here. Why not? Just put Nova. I'll put Nova somewhere. Let's put Nova right here. There we go. Okay, so once again my battery died on my camera, which is why I need to get my GoPro fixed and give this back to Connor. But yeah, I just did the first solve, and it was 9.94, which is really, really good. But I'm going to go ahead and do another one so I can actually show it to you guys. Alright, I'm going to turn this down so that it's legal. 11.02. That's not that bad. So yeah, I am quite satisfied with this cube, and now it is going to take the place of my thunderclap. It is now the king cube. Sorry, thunderclap, but thunderclap is still really good. I'll probably keep this as like my backup, because this is still a really good cube. But yeah. That's what I have to say today, guys. That's what we did. We unboxed a cube today. I feel proud of us. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please come back next Wednesday for another video for you from me. And this is dclaiche saying goodbye.